So I'm a scientist here at Green Bank Observatory. Officially my title is senior scientist, and that means that I get to help other astronomers that are coming to use the telescope to help them get good science off the telescope. It means I also get to help work with new instruments and plan out new instruments, and when they come on board, test them out and make sure they work really well. Astronomy is a wonderful science. It's an amazing science. It's kind of the most fundamental science you can think about. So when you're a small child, you think about kids walking outside, they look up at the sky, they want to understand where we are in the universe, what's up there in the sky, what those dots are in the sky. That's astronomy. It's an amazing fundamental science, and it asks and tries to answer a lot of those questions that everybody wonders about and everybody asks. So as part of my job, it's an incredibly varied job because we work with instruments, we work with scientists, we do all of that. But that means you pull in a lot of different skills. So that means I need to have good computer skills. I do write my own programs, use a computer a lot of the time. Of course, very good math skills. Math is an integral part of what we do here. And then understanding fundamental science. When I went into astronomy, I thought it was mostly physics. I have since learned that I also really need to understand chemistry. And as we develop and learn more, we also understanding some of the basic biology as well to really try to look for things, to try to understand that chemistry and physics. All of that's important, so it's really a STEM field. We really reach across all of that. And then finally, of course, if you get lucky and work at a telescope, you need to understand at least the basics of engineering.
The act of doing astronomy, of trying to figure out what might be out there, really helps us learn more about who we are and what makes our planet special, or what makes it similar to other places in the universe. I think one of my favorite parts is getting to climb the world's largest fully steerable radio telescope and show people around. It's just really amazing to be able to get up close to something that's doing such amazing science, and actually even as part of my job get to work to help it perform at its highest level. We also get to do education and public outreach. So seeing kind of the learning that goes on here, the discovery that happens with our science, and the amazing instrumentation that our engineers work so hard to keep operating at their top level it makes it a really, really fascinating place to work.
So if somebody wanted to grow up and said to me they want to grow up and become an astronomer, I would first off say that's awesome, it's fun, it's great, you get to do lots of cool things, you get to travel the world and go to telescopes like this one all over the world and get to use them and do great science. So it's a very, very fun thing to do. But work very, very hard at school, take as many science and math programs as you possibly can, and then go to college and try it out. There's lots of industries that actually use the knowledge you get in astronomy and in physics, and they want to take advantage of that to build their cool instruments too. So it's a really, really fun career, and there's just amazing opportunities for everybody with it.